Imagine holding a device that is less than a quarter of an inch thick, lighter than a notepad, yet packs more raw processing power than the laptop you bought just a couple of years ago. For over a decade, the tech industry has tried to convince us that tablets are just oversized smartphones, meant for casual web browsing, watching streaming videos, or keeping children entertained in the backseat of a car. But Apple just completely changed the rules of the game. This is the 12th generation iPad, and it is no longer a luxury accessory. It is a calculated, aggressive disruption of what we consider a primary computer. Right now, the boundaries between mobile devices and traditional laptops are dissolving faster than anyone predicted. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We are living in a fast-paced era where professionals, students, and digital creators demand absolute freedom. They want to move from a coffee shop to an office, or from an airplane seat to a studio, without carrying a heavy backpack full of chargers, bricks, and cables. If you look closely at how people actually work today, nobody wants to be chained to a desk. The 12th generation iPad is engineered exactly for this shift, acting as a bridge between pure, effortless portability and raw, uncompromising performance. Let us address the most important question right away. When you look at a base model iPad, your brain naturally assumes that because it is affordable, it must be stripped down. We have been conditioned by the tech industry to believe that if you do not spend over $1,000, you are getting an inferior experience, a slow processor, a dim screen, and a battery that drains the moment you open a demanding application. But Apple did something highly unusual with this generation. They took the foundational architecture that powers their high-end professional machines and brought it down to earth, putting elite performance into the hands of everyday users. This means you can throw heavy, brutal, multi-layered workloads at this tablet, and it will not even hesitate. Think about the implications for your daily routine. You can be sitting on your couch sketching out an idea, flip open a keyboard to write a massive report, and then jump straight into editing high-definition video, all on the exact same piece of glass. There is no waiting for the system to catch its breath, no stuttering when you switch between heavy apps, and no sudden drops in performance when the battery gets low. It delivers fluid execution that feels completely natural, making the hardware entirely transparent so you can focus purely on what you are creating. To understand why this specific iPad is causing serious concern for traditional budget laptop makers, we have to look closely at the underlying silicon. The internal processing engine has been optimized down to a microscopic level. We are talking about billions of transistors operating in perfect harmony to maximize every single milliwatt of power. This is not just a standard spec bump. This translates directly to efficiency gains that alter how software behaves. When you wake up the device, applications do not just load, they instantly snap into existence. The interface moves at the exact speed of your fingertips, completely eliminating the tiny, annoying delays that usually plague everyday electronics. This advanced architecture fundamentally changes how the operating system handles data. Apple uses a highly efficient, shared memory structure that lets the main processor and the graphics engine talk to each other without any internal traffic jams. In a typical budget laptop, data has to travel across multiple components on a motherboard, creating tiny bottleneck points that slow you down when you try to do too many things at once. The 12th generation iPad